Let's talk about the follow up feature. The main problem this feature solves is that sometimes we need to remind ourselves about a customer, but it can easily slip from our minds. For example, a customer might ask us to follow up tomorrow at 12 p.m. Or they might say they will purchase our product after 1 week or even after 1 month. Without a reminder, we could forget these important follow ups. To tackle this, we have introduced the follow up feature, which allows you to schedule reminders either for yourself or for the customer. Okay, let's see how it works. I'll open a chat, and inside the profile section, you can see the option follow up. Here, the first thing we select is the notify type. We can choose either notify me or notify user. Let's start with notify me. After selecting this, we pick a date and a time for the reminder. For example, I'll select today's date and set the time for 5 pm. Then I'll write a short follow up message like, I have to follow up at 5 pm today. Once done, the follow up is created. Now you can see this entry under the scheduled follow ups. Each follow up shows the details along with the options to edit, delete, or mark as done once the task is completed. Next, if we want to check the history of follow ups, we can go to the follow up tab. Here we have three categories: previous, today's, and upcoming. In today's section, we can already see the follow up I just created. In previous, we would see older follow ups that are already done. And in upcoming, we can see the reminders that are scheduled for future dates. Let's create one more example for upcoming follow ups. Again, I'll open the same chat, go to follow up, select notify me, and this time choose tomorrow's date. I'll set the time and write a message like confirm the order. After saving, this follow up will now appear under the upcoming section. So, with the follow up feature, we can keep track of all reminders in one place: today's tasks, upcoming tasks, and past tasks. This ensures we never miss a customer's request and always follow up at the right time. Now, let's take a look at the second option in follow up, which is notify user. This option is useful when we don't just want to remind ourselves, but we also want to send a scheduled message directly to the customer at a specific time. Let's see how it works. In the profile section of the chat, I'll go to follow up and this time select notify user. Next, I'll set the date and time when the message should be delivered. Here we also need to select the platform. For now, let's select WhatsApp. After that, you can see the template option. This is where we choose the ready-made template that will be sent to the user. For example, I'll select the product catalog template. Once everything is set, I'll save it. The follow-up is now scheduled, and at the exact time we selected, the message will be sent automatically. Let's wait a moment since I scheduled it with just a 1 minute gap. And here it is. And the product catalog template has been sent to the user on WhatsApp exactly as planned. So, the notify user option helps you automate follow ups, making sure the customer receives the right information at the right time without you having to manually send the message.